Easter is a Christian festival, which celebrates the resurrection of Jesus Christ, but do you know that? Why do we celebrate Easter? What is the main reason behind Easter celebration? Let's know. The story behind Easter lies in the New Testament of the Bible, which narrates how Jesus was arrested by the Roman authorities because he claimed to be the Son of God. He was then sentenced to death by Pontius Pilate, the Roman emperor, by crucifixion. His resurrection 3 days later marks the occasion of Easter. This day is also closely associated with the Jewish festival of Passover. Easter is celebrated as a joyous occasion, and the Sunday prior is called Palm Sunday, which marks the arrival of Jesus in Jerusalem. Various churches begin the celebration in the late hours of Saturday through a religious service called Easter Vigil. Non-religious celebrations include the tradition of Easter eggs, which represent fertility and birth, and Easter Bunny, which delivers chocolates and sweets to kids on Sunday morning. Chocolate-filled eggs, or brightly painted eggs with sweets inside, are common gifts exchanged on Easter. People choose to loosen their purse strings and splurge on the Easter weekend as the celebrations arrive after a 40-day Lent period. Hidden messages in films, multimedia games and other media are also termed Easter eggs. That's because Easter eggs mimic the idea of the hunt for an Easter egg during the festival. These could be hidden messages and images. It's like a little secret that the software programmers want to share, yet be discreet about them. It is a fun and engaging activity to look for these Easter eggs, because it usually reveals more about the character. Most Disney films have the iconic Mickey Mouse ears, or his head placed in a scene. Similarly, in animated films like The Lion King, 1994, Little Mermaid, 1989, Lilo and Stitch 2002, Finding Nemo 2003, Frozen 2013 and several more, characters from previous films have been known to visit each Oth are in the films, either as guests or toys. So friends, now you must have better understood that why this occur. We hope that you have learned something new from this video. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.